One of the nastiest divorce cases Hollywood has ever encountered is the one between A-list celebrities Johnny Depp and Amber Heard, and it doesn't seem to be coming to an end anytime soon, since it just gets all the more unclear and confusing over time. Amber Heard will reportedly be facing jail time because of all the years that went down in their marriage. But why exactly? I know you're curious too, but first, hello everybody! Welcome back to another one of our juicy celebrity videos. If you're new here, please do hit the subscribe button to see more from our channel. Devoted fans can't seem to fathom Johnny Depp as someone who needs to defend himself and asking for help against his ex-wife because right from the very beginning, Amber Heard was able to convince people that she was the one in the wrong. The battle between the two ex-spouses has been going on for years, yet both sides have been seeking justice for what they seemingly endured, depending on the version of the truth you believe. It seemed quite difficult and unfair, since both of their careers were entirely shaken, with Johnny Depp getting fired from his role as Grindelwald in Disney's Fantastic Beasts franchise, and Amber Heard fueling rumors about getting replaced from her role as Mera in DC Comics' Aquaman. As the lengthy case went on, many have stepped in won the issue and came into Johnny's defense, notably his ex-girlfriends Winona Ryder and Vanessa Paradis, offering their testimonies. And with what came down was how it has become clear that Amber Heard has been creating a false narrative with what really happened the whole time regarding her accusation towards Depp being the predator and abusive one in the relationship. And need we say more on the red flags on Amber Heard's questionable behavior? The actress was also accused of pocketing a $7 million divorce settlement from Depp that she initially promised to be donated to a charity. Moreover, according to a video published by Court TV, during their libel case trial, Amber Heard was claiming to be repeatedly abused physically and emotionally by Depp. The Aquaman star put on quite a show when demonstrating these past situations that took place between them in their whirlwind relationship. She tried to flip every situation for her to prove her accusations against Depp. It seemed like an ultimate goal for her to achieve in this mess is to have Johnny be seen as a predator, and for a little while, that did actually happen. However, with recent developments in the story, the only truth that is clear to the people about this lingering case is that the longer it goes on, the more obvious it is that the star is the one who is behind all the lies, and Johnny Depp was the actual victim overall. In addition, things might be going in a different direction soon, given the new evidence and requests manifesting. Before the situation had deepened, Amber Heard represented herself in the public, saying she was the face of the Me Too movement concerning victims speaking out against their abusers. And it gets even more embarrassing for her since it has been revealed that the actress falsified a scene of the alleged destruction she suffered at the hands of her ex-husband. And it gets even more ironic that Amber's reason behind separating herself from Depp was the very same thing she did to Johnny: abuse. As a result, the actor lost substantial project deals and was exposed to public mockery with magazines and tabloids calling him a wife-beater, which led to him to sue multiple publications on that matter. After he lost the defamation appeal that Depp filed against British newspaper The Sun, the Pirates of the Caribbean actor filed a new lawsuit against his ex-wife Amber Heard for almost $50 million in an attempt to clean up his image that was severely damaged after the incidents. Furthermore, the actress was investigated for fabrication of false evidence and was proven guilty shortly after. The excruciating separation between the two arrives at another controversial chapter. If Amber Heard is found at fault, the actress could serve up to 3 years in federal prison for surrendering fake evidence against Johnny Depp in a domestic abuse case. It hasn't been a good year for the Texas-born Aquaman actress, since judges refused her appeal to discard the $50 million defamation lawsuit against her. Plus, she's allegedly been blacklisted by several Hollywood studios until the final verdict comes out. What's even dreadful for Amber Heard is that, if sought, she could be finding herself inside a cell for faking injuries in her domestic abuse case against her ex-partner. Warner Brothers have reportedly detached themselves from Amber Heard due to the eruption of the abuse allegations she made against Johnny that were proven to be false. Amber Heard, who on top of other lawsuits, is also facing a defamation countersuit. It seems like she is now desperate to get dirt on her ex-husband in an endeavor for him to settle or junk the case as a whole. The actress even hired a private investigator who has failed to dig up any criminalizing evidence on Johnny Depp, and her appeal to have the case dismissed has officially been repudiated. It is most likely that Johnny Depp has provided sufficient evidence against Amber Heard, and the judges are leaning in his favor. A source close to Johnny Depp disclosed that he has no intention of settling the defamation case and is running after the full $50 million from Amber Heard. Johnny and his children have suffered immensely through this ordeal, and that $50 million will scarcely cover half of his legal costs, let alone for all the damages in the past 4 years. According to Pulp Culture News in 2019, Samantha McMillan, Amber's stylist, went on record to confess that she believes that the black eye she sported as evidence against Depp was fake. And on December 2015, McMillan spent most of her time with Amber while trying to prepare for her appearance at The Late Late Show with James Corden. She said that she saw her throughout the day, and there was absolutely nothing wrong with her at the time the alleged abuse happened. She went on record to say that the actress did not have any visible marks, bruises, cuts, or injuries in her face or her body. Fake injuries can be considered falsified evidence, and California law, or any court for that matter, does not look favorably upon any person who prepares or offers false evidence in any proceeding. It is said that the maximum sentence for surrendering false evidence will be 3 years, so good luck with Amber Heard on that. However, it is best believed that even if the charges will be dropped, Amber will still surely face prison time. In 2016, Heard pleaded guilty to supplying falsified documents when she smuggled her 2 dogs into Australia, and this is not the first time she has submitted falsified documents or has been faced with jail time. Instead of charging Amber Heard a penalty maximum of a year in prison and a fine over $7,650, the magistrate, Bernadette Callahan, only sentenced her to a 1-month good behavior bond. Of course, Amber Heard is defined as a manipulator by devoted fans of Johnny Depp, but with the help of her attorney, Jeremy Kirk, he told the court that his client never meant to lie on her incoming passenger card by failing to acknowledge that she had animals with her, and defended her through reasoning out that she was simply jet-lagged and assumed that her assistants had sorted out the paperwork. Typical Amber not being liable and responsible for anything, a fan of Depp said. In Johnny Depp's defamation countersuit, a judge required that each side of the case should come up with more evidence to back up claims, because this is not an issue that they will take lightly given the high-profile nature of the case. Taking anyone's word for it will not resolve anything. The main piece of evidence that was wanted to be witnessed in court was communication logs, such as texts, emails, and phone calls between the two, and with anyone else for that matter, that would help in uncovering the whole truth. Coming from her father David, Amber was arrested more than once, as to getting physical against her former partner before Depp. David was aware that she was using these claims to win the case and keep the penthouse that they once shared as well. Were you convinced of knowing how Depp was actually the victim right from the very beginning? Let us know in the comment section down below. And while you're at it, hit the like button if you loved our video. Please do visit and subscribe to our channel if you want to see more content like this in the future. See you and bye!